Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing Evernote versus Notesnook. There are 9 key differences between the apps. Notesnook has a minimalist interface that emphasizes ease of use, while Evernote offers a more feature-rich interface. Notesnook offers a free plan with broader features for paid plans. Evernote does the same. Both apps offer tags and a traditional notebook structure to help you find your data, but only Evernote offers optical character recognition to find text within a PDF. Notesnook offers the ability to lock a specific note, while Evernote only allows you to encrypt selected text within a note. Both apps offer comparable web clippers. Both apps are cross-platform, with Evernote being on all platforms except for Linux. Notesnook emphasizes privacy and offers end-to-end encryption for both notes and attachments. Evernote only offers encryption in transit and encryption at rest, so anyone at Evernote with your password could theoretically look at your notes. As far as plans go, Notesnook paid plans start at $50 a year, whereas Evernote's paid plans start at $130 a year, which is more than twice that of Notesnook. Both Notesnook and Evernote have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between the two will depend on your individual needs. If you like this video of Notesnook versus Evernote and would like to see other videos of note-taking apps, please feel free to explore my channel, and I'll see you next time.